Hello, YesTechie here. I'm Anton.
I'm Vladimir.
We are certified Ubiquiti Integrators, and today we are at a new video production facility in Los Angeles. It has two big staging areas, office space and big parking lot for the events.
And we plan to do full Ubiquiti deployment, which includes network, protect and access. For the network, we will use high availability setup with a few enterprise gateways, and we're gonna use enterprise access points. For the protect, we're gonna use mix of cameras such as PTZ cameras and G6 series cameras. And for the access, we have a lot of doors inside, and for the access we will use intercoms, readers, enterprise access hubs. And in this video we will show you all the steps of the deployment, starting with planning, then installation and setup of the system.
So we are at the stage area. So we have two. It's a symmetrical east and west. So and total we have 4 IDFs and 1 MDF. So in each stage area we deployed this network cabinet, which has a switch. We are using here it's UniFi Pro-XG switch, because we have 4 access points deployed in this stage area. It's a E7 Campus access points. So the idea was to have 10 gigabit backbone connection to any network device. We also, as you can see, we have 2 Ethernet ports. So we installed these 2 Ethernet ports, so it's a connection for the production team. If they need a wired connection, sometimes when they shoot a movie or doing like anything in the studio, it's like very cool to have wired connection as well. And yeah, we choose Pro-XG switch because it has 16 10 gigabit ports, and also it's a PoE switch. So we connected some of the cameras, which outdoor cameras, PTZ and some other horn actually for the security. It's also connected to this switch. And we have the same setup in the another stage. And also the very important thing that's each IDF connected via fiber. So we ran fiber optics to each IDF, and it's actually 25 gigabit ready. So each IDF will be connected via 25 gigabit, and all the network devices such as access points and Ethernet ports will be 10 gigabit ready.
We are on the 2nd floor in the office area, and shared space for the crew members. And here you can see another IDF. We also have 2 of them, one in this wing of the building and one in other one. And here we used the same switch as in the stage, which is Pro-XG 24 PoE. And we use second one, it's a simple Pro-Max. We use 2 switches here because one of them connected by fiber to the MDF, also access points, and in this area, and all the data outlets connected to the XG on the maximum speed. And we have a lot of cameras outside, and all of these cameras connected to Pro-Max.
Okay, let's talk about cameras. For this deployment we used G6 turrets. We used PTZ Industrial and G6 Pro 360 cameras and AI horns for active deterrence. So G6 turrets we install all around the perimeter, and with the AI horns for active deterrence. We installed PTZ Industrial on each corner of the building. And in the loading zones, we installed 360 cameras, which is very convenient for areas like that. We will use Protect Alarm Manager to set up our active deterrence and security system. So we will create advanced object detection, like triggers actually, and pair it with AI horns. So if someone will be in a restricted area or restricted time, we'll trigger AI horns with pre-recorded messages or pre-recorded audio files. Let's talk about access control. So we installed G3 Pro video readers for each door. You can see it right there. For this deployment, we used fail-secure locks. It's strike locks and mortise. So this is an example of strike lock. Let's see system in action. So pin code. From inside, it's a push bar, so you can open it any time. And that's our ASA Abloy 12 volts strike lock.
This is our main rack in MDF, and for this project we're using one switch. We use 2 AFG in shadow mode. We use aggregation and Pro-XG switch and Enterprise NVR. We're running Protect and Access on the NVR. And here are some reserved space for the battery, for the UPS. As we mentioned before, we have few IVFs all around facility, and all of them connected here by fiber. It's a 25 gig ready infrastructure. Now it's connected on 10 gigabit speed.
Let's dive into how Blueground Studios leverages their Ubiquiti system to power their dynamic venue.
The studio hosts a wide variety of events, and for every new tenant, it's very crucial that infrastructure aligned perfectly with their technical needs. Right after deployment was completed, one of the stages was set up for major music festival organized by Refrain. On weekends, the entire studio transform into vibrant, state-of-the-art visual effects nightclub.
Let's talk about details. There is a bustling bar equipped with POS terminals, food trucks rolling in, all sales points connected wirelessly to E7 APs. At the main stage, we have massive video wall with an array of visual effects equipment, each setup uniquely customized for every event. There is also top-tier security system in place, with advanced event detection and access control for the staff. Our role was to provide organizers with a seamless access to infrastructure, both network and physical security, and of course make sure that system performance is consistent and reliable.
We configured the network according to their specific requirements. Dedicated segments for POS terminals and sales points, for the visual effects team, and for artists themselves. In addition, we provided camera and door access for the security staff to be sure everything ran smoothly. At the same time, all Blueground Studio systems continue to operating in normal mode.
The festival was a huge success. UniFi infrastructure performed really well. We had no issues, and the venue already preparing for its next big event.